So you've probably already got quite a decent selection of fonts on your computer, but if you wanted more variety, there are a couple of good sites that you could take a look at, and these both offer a selection of fonts that you can use for commercial use. And the first is dafont.com. That's spelled DAFONT.com. I'll just quickly show how to use it. They've done something really nice, which is split the fonts down into different characteristics. So let's say we were looking for a sans serif font. We can simply click just there. Let's move this down a little bit. And you can type in a bit of text that you want to use as a preview. So you'd probably use one of the words from your company name. So let me try and write in continue. Oh, I've already got it coming up there. Continuous. You can choose how many fonts per page. So let me go 20. Size medium, that's just the size we're going to preview it at. And I always click on more options because if I'm going to use something commercially, I want to make sure it's just available as a public domain or a free font. Obviously, if you're just using this for experimenting, you can use any of the fonts. But if you're going to use it for a live job, choose public domain or free. So we'll click on that and just hit submit. And it will come up with a lot of different options, and obviously using the word, which is great because you can get an idea of how your logo is going to look. So just scroll through them, and any that you think are kind of along the lines that you're looking for, when we come onto the logo project, you just simply hit download and download them to a folder on your machine. If you're not sure how to install them, I think in the help section you can find something on how to do that. So another of the sites we can look at is, I can't remember the actual address, but it's Font Squirrel. Let's try that. Okay, there we go. Font Squirrel. And again, all the fonts on here, they're all free for commercial use. And again, they've split them by style, which is really nice. So again, if we click sans serif, it'll give you a load of different options. And again, you can just look through those, see if anything looks like it would be suitable for the job you're doing. Some of them you can download directly from the site. Some of them you have to go through to third-party sites, and you might have to create a login, etc. on those. So yeah, I'll try and stick with these fonts so that we're all on the same page if we're trying to design a logo so you can follow along.